Welcome back to Auto Cars. In this video I break down the full experience review 2025 Bugatti Divo. If you are new on this channel, don't forget subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the review. The Bugatti Divo, unveiled in 2018, is a limited production hypercar that builds upon the foundation of the Chiron, emphasizing agility, aerodynamics, and track performance. Named after French racing driver Albert Divo, this masterpiece is limited to just 40 units, each priced at approximately $5.8 million. Exterior design. The Divo's design is a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. Its aggressive front fascia features enlarged air intakes and a wider front spoiler, enhancing airflow and cooling efficiency. A prominent NOCA duct on the roof directs air to a 1.8-meter wide fixed rear wing, which is 23% wider than the Chiron's, generating significant downforce for improved stability. The rear is distinguished by a unique grille composed of 3D printed fins, with 44 of them illuminated to form the taillights, creating a striking visual effect. Interior features. Inside, the Divo maintains Bugatti's commitment to luxury while focusing on weight reduction. The cabin is adorned with Alcantara upholstery and matte carbon fiber trim. Seats offer enhanced lateral support, and the steering wheel is equipped with extended paddle shifters for improved driver engagement. Notably, certain storage compartments have been removed to save weight, emphasizing the car's performance. At its core, the Divo houses an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering 1,479 horsepower and 1,600 Nm of torque. This powerhouse enables the Divo to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.4 seconds. While its top speed is electronically limited to 380 km/h, 236 mph, due to increased downforce and aerodynamic drag, the Divo outperforms the Chiron by 8 seconds on the Nardo handling circuit, highlighting its superior agility. Safety features. While specific safety features of the Divo are not extensively detailed, Bugatti's engineering ensures that the car is equipped with advanced systems to handle its immense performance capabilities. This includes a robust braking system, advanced traction control, and electronic stability programs to maintain control under extreme driving conditions. Pricing and availability. With a price tag of €5 million, approximately $5.8 million, the Bugatti Divo is a testament to exclusivity and engineering prowess. All 40 units were pre-sold before its public debut, underscoring its desirability among automotive connoisseurs. In summary, the Bugatti Divo represents a pinnacle in automotive engineering, combining breathtaking design with unparalleled performance, tailored for those seeking the ultimate driving experience. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.